So you guys, this is how it looks like. Looks so bomb, guys, and yeah, I can't wait to taste this. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow to our YouTube channel. And thanks. Welcome to another episode of Catty Family. Today, let's make some pop chops with some potatoes. So first things first, we're gonna be washing our pop chops.
I'm going to put the bobby side, yeah. So come on there. I'm going to put my that, so come on there. Look at this ball. You're not narrating.
Okay, let's pretend that we're not new.
Wait till we add water. Yeah, water.
Not for real.
3, 2, 1.
Now we put inside some vinegar.
Hey! Let's mash the vegetables.
I want to wash some meat too. Let's wash my meat. And make sure you guys wash it very well. Okay.
I think we're mashing. I wanted to make it fun. No.
Marinade. Shane, don't do that. First things first, we're gonna be putting inside our black pepper. All of us are gonna put. All of us are gonna put.
Who's next?
After Skylar.
You
You didn't even say what you're putting.
So you guys, now we're gonna put dots. Which is so beautiful.
Shane, this is paprika, okay?
I want you to give it to me.
No, just put it here.
Give it to me. Then I do it.
Wait. Say what you're putting.
Now I'm gonna put paprika.
Sky, can you? Okay.
Hey guys, now we're gonna put mustard. Oh, I see it. The mustard.
Like this.
Thank you.
You have to, I'm gonna put it. Now, this. Now I'll be putting inside some oregano leaves. I'll be putting inside some mayo.
See? Okay, easily close. If you want bacon, I'm gonna put in beef today.
So you guys, now we're gonna put in Guyo's seasoning.
Oh, I don't even have a time to do it.
Put inside some cayenne pepper. Sky, we already put that one.
Yeah.
Sorry, Sky.
Are you okay?
Are you okay, Sky? Did you make a leg?
31, 32, 33, 35.
And then you know that I washed my hands.
Me
now
too.
it's marinated.
That is not that too. That's bad. Let's mix. Gotta like this. This is how we do it. Like this. You have to take a meat, and this is what you have to do. You have to flip it over like this. You have to flip everything over. So, he wants meat for free. Who wants meat for free? Free who?
Everybody! put aside some garlic paste.
Guys, my father's eating me right now. Other garlic.
Guys, now let's make our pop chops. First, I'm gonna be leaving up the gas, but first things first, guys. Just to let you know, this is dangerous for kids, so let adults do this part. Now we put inside my cooking spray.
I have a surprise. For us, that's for you.
Now we put inside some butter.
Yeah.
Now we put inside some pork chops.
Today is Dory's birthday.
So you guys, I'm going to be leaving it to cook. Now I'm leaving it to cook. You guys, this step is very important. Don't miss it. Look, this one is just you have to put it inside so it can make it like juicy and it makes it super good too. Making a lot. Wow. That looks so good, guys. Wow. That is so delicious. Oh my god. This looks so delicious, guys. I just can't understand. Can't wait. So you guys, this is how it looks like. I can't wait to taste this. Now I'm going to be taking it off. Let's do it. Guys, can you see how brown this looks? This looks so good, guys. I can't wait to taste it. Now we put inside some more. Can't wait to taste this, guys. You guys, it's finished. Now I'm going to put aside the plate. This is so good, guys. Look at it. So you guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like, and yeah, I can't just wait to taste this. You guys, here we have chopped parsley, and I'm gonna just sprinkle it around. And this is how it looks like. So don't do that. No. So you guys, this is how it looks like. Looks so long, guys, and yeah. I just can't wait to taste this with my family. And also we added some juice at the side, some apple juice, and that's optional.
Too much. Too much is too fast. That is so strong. first.